Hi everybody, welcome back to Steve's Garage. In today's video, I'll be replacing the front wiper blades on a 2020 Volvo XC90, but this will apply to any SPA XC90, so that means 2016 right up to the current model year. I'll be installing a pair of Bosch Aerotwin wipers number A297S because they are a direct replacement for the OEM Volvo blades. I tried some Spectrum direct fits from Bosch and they were a slightly different size, so they sat on the arm and the windshield a little differently, and the option from PIAA doesn't fit at all. Feel free to use whatever wiper blade you want, but know that you may have some fitment issues or they may sit differently on the windshield and wiper arm. If you'd like to purchase the same Bosch wipers that I installed, I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description. It won't cost you anything extra and I'll earn a small commission from your purchase. Start off by getting in the car, turning the ignition one click with your foot off the brake, that way it just turns the car on but not the engine. Swipe right on your center screen and put the wipers into service position. This will move the wiper arms up into the top position so you can bend the arm up and actually remove the blade. You can now safely lift the wiper arm up, they won't contact the hood or anything like that, and we're ready to remove the old blades. Angle the wiper blade away from the arm, depress the tab, and the blade should pull straight out of the wiper arm. The other blade is the exact same procedure, and then we can install the new ones. When installing the new blades, angle them away from the wiper arm just like we did when we took it off. That'll allow the clip to interface and slide right onto the arm. You'll hear a click, the blade is on, and you can go ahead and fold the arms back down. Chances are the car is still on, so go back inside, tap wiper service position again, and it'll rotate the arms back down to home position, and you're ready to enjoy your brand new windshield wipers. If you found this video helpful, please think about subscribing. I know it's the first video I've posted about the XC90, so if there's more videos you want to see, leave a comment and let me know. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.